Hello students, we are starting chapter number 19, trigonometrical tables. In this chapter I will explain you about how to read the values of sin theta, cos theta, tan theta between 0 to 90 with the help of trigonometric tables. This table is provided back of your book, but first we will discuss about these standard values of sin, cos and theta. So these values 0 degree, 30 degree, 45 degree, 60 degree and 90 degree. These values you have to learn and substitute from your side. I will give you one easy way how to find out these values or how to learn this table easily. For this, first write 0 to 4, 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. After this, all these 5 numbers divide by 4. After dividing by 4, then you have to take the root for all these numbers. Now this first number, root of 0 will be 0 because 0 is here in numerator, so final answer will be here 0. Second, root of 1 is 1 and root of 4 is 2. Third one, you can cancel here 2 1s are 2 and 2 2s are 4. Root of 1 is 1 and this we cannot find out root, so we will write root 2. This third one, fourth one, root 3 by 2 and last one we can cancel, we will get 1 and root of 1 is 1. Like this you will get these values. These values are for the sin theta. So first 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2 and 1. After this cos theta, for cos theta just you have to reverse this same thing in order. So first 1, then root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2 and 0. After this we have tan theta. Tan theta, we know tan theta is equal to sin theta by cos theta. So we will divide these two and we will check. 0 by 1 is 0. 1 by 2, root 3 by 2 means 1 by root 3. 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2, it will cancel out and you will get here 1. Root 3 by 2, 1 by 2, so we will get root 3. 1 by 0 is infinite. After this, next cot theta. Cot theta is just the reciprocal of tan theta. So same thing, only you have to write in the reverse order. Infinite, root 3, 1, 1 by root 3 and 0. Next we have sec theta. Sec theta is reciprocal of cos theta. So we can do the reciprocal of cos theta. 1, 2 by root 3, root 2, 2 and infinite. Next cosec theta. Cosec theta is the reciprocal of sin theta. So this we can write as infinite, 2, root 2, 2 by root 3 and 1. So easily you can make this table with the help of this method. Now in this table, if you observe carefully, you will see the value of sin is increasing from 0 to 90. At 0 degree the value is 0 and 90 degree value is 1. So it is increasing. For cos theta value is decreasing. For 0 degree it is 1 and for 90 degree it is 0. So slowly the value is decreasing. For tan theta also you can see the value of 0 is 0 and the value of 90 is infinite. It means for tan theta also it is increasing. So we will use this one also to see the table. Now we will start exercise 19. First question, find the value of following sin 35 degree 22 minute. So with the help of table we will see how to find out this value. to check the value of sine 32 degree 22 minute, like this table will be there back of your book. You can see natural science sign will be written there, and in this you can see here 35 degree. First check the 35 degree. This is 35 degree. Like this you have to check horizontally, and vertically you have to see. We want 22 degree. So 22 degree you can see it is not there. So we can take 18 degree or we can take 24 degree. Suppose we are taking 18 degree. So check the value for 18 column. When you will check this is 5779 and it is 0.5779, not 579. Point also is there. And 18 to 22, how much is the difference? Difference is 4. So the difference value also we have to check from here, 4, and the difference value for same column is here 10. Now we have to add with this value this difference value. So we checked here sine 35 degree 18 minute value is 0.5779 and the mean difference for 14 minute is 10. This 10 you have to write here at last. You should not write 10 here. It will come at last two places, and after that sine 35 degree 22 minute will be add these two value 0.5789. Second part, find the value of sine 71 degree 31 minute. So first check the value for 71 degree 30 minute from your table. So you will get 0.9483. After this check the difference between. How much is difference here? 30 to 31? 1. So check the difference for 1 minute. Write it at the last place. So the value of sine 71 degree 31 minute is 0.9484. For sine we have to add it because sine value is increasing. For third part, find the value of sine 65 degree 20 minute. So first check the value for sine 65 degree 18 minute, that is 0.9085. After that see the difference between these two, 20 and 18, difference is 2. So check the mean difference for the same column, that is 2. So sine 65 degree 20 minute will be addition of these two. So 0.9087. Next fourth one, we have to find out the value for sine 23 degree 56 minute. So first check the value for sine 23 degree 54 minute, that is 0.4051. See the mean difference between these two, that is 2. So mean difference for these two is 5. Check in the same column. And then sine 23 degree 56 minute will be sum of these two, 0.4056. Next question number 2, find the value of the following. First part is cos 62 degree 27 minute. So first check the value nearby it, cos 62 degree 24 minute, that is 0.4633, and then the mean difference between these two is 3. So mean difference for 3 minute is 8 here. Now for cos we should not add these values, we have to subtract because the value of cos decrease from 0 to 90. So when it is decreasing, it means when we are increasing the degree angle, we are increasing, value will decrease. So it means we have to subtract here. So after subtraction we will get 0.4625. This is the value for cos 62 degree 27 minute. Second part, find the value for cos 3 degree 11 minute. First check the nearby value, cos 3 degree 6 minute, 0.9985. See the mean difference between these, 11 minus 6 is 5. So check the mean difference for 5 minute in same column, equal to 1. And then cos 3 degree 11 minute will be to the subtraction of these two, 0.9984. Third part, cos 86 degree 40 minutes. So first check the value for nearby angle, 86 degree 36 minute, 0.0593. See the check the mean difference between these two. Your difference is 4. So mean difference for 4 is 12. do the subtraction. So value of cos 86 degree 40 minute is 0.0581. Fourth part, cos 45 degree 58 minute. Check the nearby value. Cot 45 54 minute 0.6959. Then the mean difference between 2 is 4 here. Check the mean difference 4 is 8. Do the subtraction. So value of cos 45 degree 58 minute will be 0.6951. Next question number 3. Find the value of following tan 15 degree 2 minute. So first check the value for nearby tan 15 degree 0 minute 0.2679 and mean difference for 2 minute is 6 here. Then because the value of 10 also increased from 0 to 90, so it means we have to add here. So value of tan 15 degree 2 minute is addition of these two 0.2685. Second part, find the value for 53 degree 14 minute. So first check the value for tan 53 degree 12 minute 1.3367 and the mean difference for 2 is here 16. Add these two. So tan 53 degree 14 minute is equal to 1.3383. Third part, tan 82 degree 18 minutes. So this value directly you can check 7.3962. Fourth one, tan 6 degree 9 minute. So first check the value for tan 6 degree 6 minute 0.1069 and the mean difference is here 3 minute. So mean difference for 3 is 9. Do the addition of these two 0.1078 is answer. Question number 4. Use tables to find acute angle theta given that sin theta is equal to 0.5789. This is the reverse question of first question. Here value will be given and with the help of value you have to find out the theta. So first check the nearby value in table. We have 0.5789. So if you check the table, you will get 0.5779, that is equal to sin 35 degree 80 minute. Now see the difference between 79 and 89, it is 10. So check for the mean difference in the same row. So mean difference, where mean difference is 10, in that the degree is 4 minute here. Angle difference is 4 minute. Then 0.5789 will be equal to sin 35 degree 22 minute. Similarly, second one, sin theta is given 9484. Check in table, you will get the value for 9483. 9483 is equal to 71 degree 30 minute. And here difference between 83 and 84 is 1. So check for the mean difference 1. It is equal to 1 minute. Add together 0.9484 is equal to sin 71 degree 31 minute. Third part, sin theta is given 0.2357. Check the nearby value. In table you will get 0.2351 which is equal to sin 13 degree 36 minute. Now how much is difference here? 7 and 1. 6 difference is there. So for 6 mean difference you check here, you will get 2 degree. Then 2.2357 will be equal to sin 13 degree 38 minute. Fourth part, sin theta is 0.6371. Check the nearby value, you will get 6361 in table which is equal to sin 39 degree 30 minute. Now see the difference between this 71 and 61. Difference is 10. So for this 10 difference, how much is the difference in minute? It is 4 minute. So 0.6371 will be equal to sin 39 degree 34 minute. Next question number 5. Use table to find acute angle theta given that cos theta is equal to 0.4625. So check the nearby value here in table. So you will get 0.4617 in table which is equal to cos 62 degree 30 minute. Now the difference between 17 and 25 is 8. Here difference is 8. So for 8 difference, minute difference is here 3 minute. Because cos value is decreasing when we will increase the angle. So it means we have to subtract here. So do the subtraction. 0.4625 will be cos 62 degree 27 minute. Second part, cos theta is equal to 0.9906. Check the nearby value. In table you will get 0.9905 which is equal to cos 7 degree 54 minute. Now the difference between 5 and 6 is 1. For this difference check the angle difference, which is 3 minute. So this side we are adding 0.9906, another side we have to subtract. So cos 7 degree 51 minute. Third part, cos theta is equal to 0.6951. Check the nearby value. You will get for 0.6947, which is equal to cos 46 degree 0 minute. Now the difference between 47 and 51 is 4. So for this 4 difference, check in angle, which is equal to 2 minute. Now do the subtraction. See here, this is 0 minute. So from 0 we cannot subtract 2. So what we are doing, from here we are borrowing. It will become 45 degree and 1 degree is equal to 60 minutes. So here it will become 60 minutes. From 60 subtract 2, you will get 58 minutes and 45 degree. So our answer is here cos 45 degree 58 minutes. Next, fourth part, cos theta is equal to 0.3412. So nearby value in table you will get 0.3404, which is equal to cos 70 degree 6 minute. Now the difference between 4 and 12 is 8. For this difference check the angle difference, which is equal to 3 degree. Do the subtraction. So answer will be cos 70 degree 3 minute. Next, question number 6. Use table to find acute angle theta, given that tan theta is equal to 0.2685. So check the nearby value in table. In tan, 0.2679, which is equal to tan 15 degree 0 minute. Then the difference between 79 and 85 is 6. So check for this difference. Angle difference is here 2 minutes for this. So 10.2679 will be equal to 10-15 degree 2 minute. For tan also we have to add. For sine also we have to add. Only for the cos we have to subtract. So tan theta, second part, tan theta is 1.7451. Check the nearby value, 1.7391, which is equal to tan 60 degree 6 minute. Now the difference between 51 and 91, it is 60. So this difference, check angle difference for this 5 minute. So 1.7451 will be equal to tan 60 degree 11 minute. Third part, tan theta is given 3.1749. Check nearby value 3.1716, which is equal to tan 72 degree 30 minute. Now the difference between 49 and 16 is 33. For this difference check the angle difference, which is equal to 1 minute. So 3.1749 will be equal to 72 degree 31 minute. Fourth part, tan theta is given 0.9347. Nearby value is 9325, which is equal to tan 43 degree 0 minute. The difference between 47 and 25 is 22. So for this 22, the angle difference is 4 minute. Therefore 0.9347 will be equal to tan 43 degree 4 minute. Next, question number 7. Using trigonometric table, find the angle A. Then sin A is given 0.1822. So check this value 0.1822 in sin table, which is equal to 10 degree 30 minute. So therefore angle A will be equal to 10 degree 30 minute. Question number 8. Find the value of 2 sin theta minus cos theta. First part, when theta is 35 degrees. So check the value for sin 35 in table. Sin 35 in 0 column. Then minus cos 35 in 0 column. After that multiply 2 with this number and do the subtraction. Answer will be 0.3280. Second part, when tan theta is given 0.2679. So first we will find out the angle. This value, when you will check in table, you will get this is equal to tan 15 degree. So 15 degree, it means theta angle is equal to 15 degree. Now find out this 2 sin theta minus cos theta, 2 sin 15 minus cos 15. Check the value for sin 15 in 0 column, substitute. Check the value for cos 15 in 0 column and substitute. After that simplify it. Question number 9. If sin x degree is given 0.67, we have to find out the value for cos x degree. cos x degree plus tan x degree. So first sin x is given 0.67. Check the nearby value in sin table. So 0.6691 is equal to sin 42 degree 0 minute. Now the difference between 6691 and 6700, that is equal to 9. So for 9 difference, check the angle difference, which is coming 4 minute. So 0.6700 is equal to sin 42 degree 4 minute. It means x value is 42 degree 4 minute. So first part cos x degree means cos 42 degree 4 minute, which is equal to, first check the value for 42 degree 0 minute in table 0.7431. Then the difference is 4. Check for difference. It is coming 8. And we know for cos we have to subtract. So cos 42 degree 4 minute will be 0.7423. Second part. Already we have calculated cos x, cos 42 degree 4 minute. Now we will find out for tan x. So tan 42 degree, first check in table 0.9004. And the mean difference is 4 minute here. For 4 minute, check the difference, which is equal to 21. So tan 42 degree 4 minute will be 0.9025. Now substitute the value of cos 42 degree 4 minute and tan 42 degree 4 minute and add it. Question number 10. If theta is acute angle and cos theta is given 0.7258, find the value for x theta and 2 tan theta minus sin theta. So first part, cos theta is given 0.7258. Check the nearby value in table. You will get 0.7254, which is equal to 43 degree 30 minute. Now difference between 54 and 58 is 4. So for this 4 difference, check the angle difference, which is 2 degree. So 0.7258 will be 43 degree 28 minute. For cos we have to subtract. It means theta value is 43 degree 28 minute. Second part for 10, theta is 43 degree 28 minute we have calculated. Now calculate the value for tan 43 degree 28 minute. For that first check 43 degree 24 minute 90.9457. Difference is 4 here. So for that 4 difference, here you will get 22. So 43 degree 28 minute will be 0.9479. Similarly calculate for sin 43 degree 28 minute also, which is equal to 0.6879. Now these values you have to substitute here. 2 tan theta minus sin theta. Substitute here and simplify, you will get answer. So this exercise is completed here. From this exercise you will not get any question for board exam, but it will be helpful for the next chapter to check the values from the table. Thank you for watching our video.